Wait. How do you say garlic?
Garlic. Chives.
Chives.
Yeah.
Okay. Garlic chives.
Okay.
Hi. Okay. Hello. My name is Youyue. I'm from China. So today I want to show you how to make a Chinese dumpling normal. A lot of people familiar to do. So first time you need to have the skin, of course. Like the circle one, you can get in the Asian market. It's easy. And then you have two kinds. This one circle will be one dumpling, like a suijiao. The other one like a circle.
Square.
Oh, square. So that will be wonton. That's a little bit different. Later I will show you. And this is the first game. So this one, and you use with the vegetable is like a call. We use that together with the call garlic chives. I don't know how they call say garlic chives, but we are called and then jiucai. We started our Chinese dumplings by finely chopping our jiucai. We add 1 egg to 1 pound of pork. You can break up the pork with chopsticks. For spices, we add a little salt. I like to use pork that is 70, dirty, lean to fat. Maybe 1 tablespoon of fresh diced ginger, black pepper, and a little bit soy sauce. You want to stir in the pork mixture only in one direction. This will help make a smooth texture. You can add a little bit of the water if it seems dry, but only add a little bit at a time. You know the mixture is ready when you see this short string of fat. After the pork mixture is ready, you can start in the jiucai. Like usually we just like that. You can, that's all. You just finish. But my son will like a little bit tasty good and have corn. So God, so I will just put a little bit corn inside. It's got a little bit crunchy, and also the corn is helping a little bit sweet actually. So you may like it to try. So you just cut it like that. It's a little bit. You don't want it too much. Because too much it will be too sweet. You cannot fit in the meat or the vegetable. So just cut a little bit. It's easy to cook it because you don't want it to cook it too long. So just put inside. Yeah. And mix again. So any kind of, you think that you like to add, you just put a little bit. And usually I would smell a little bit. This one is the dumplings again and the circle. So, and you also will see the other one is square, is more thin. That's a wonton. So I will show you how to make. Usually we use it. Add about a tablespoon of filling in the skin. Fold it over like this and squeeze. When I was a little girl in China, my grandmother will get up very early on the morning of Chinese New Year and make a dumpling for our large family. The shape of dumplings is supposed to look like money. We call an yuanbao. to bring good luck and prosperity for the coming year. I spent many hours watching and helping my grandmother cooking beautiful Chinese food for us.
That's one more time.
I hope make traditional Chinese dumplings will bring prosperity for your family too. Is it right? So this is how it looks like when you finish. But usually also, if you make it big, so you can, if you can finish it all, you can put inside the refrigerator.
Freezer.
Or freezer. Or you can freezer that. Actually, you can freezer that after. Just easy to take it. Just cooking. That's it. You don't need to before take it out. You just when you cooking, you just put inside the boiled water. You don't need to think about it. You need to get it out, cool down or stuff. So, yeah. So now we're doing show you doing for the dipping sauce. So I usually use the garlic first. I'm gonna put in here. You for sweet sauce. This is every store you can buy that. Can you show this? This is more yummy. I use this one. Tastes much better, and also less sweet sauce, less salty.
Sodium. Yeah.
Sodium. Yeah, I like to use this one. Smells very good. I try to use the other one as not like just feel like salt. You don't really feel like smell something. So I like this one. And also this is black vinegar, and or Chinese use any sauce, dumpling like noodles stuff.
Show the front.
Like that. I don't want to show, maybe you don't need to do. And this one I put this word called huajiao. This is a Chinese pepper. So that will be the dumpling dip sauce.
Dipping.
There will be dumpling dipping sauce. Looks like it. Vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and Chongqing spicy mala. So look at here. When they rise to the top, you would like to use the cold water dab a little bit inside here, because they make their skins more like strong and not too soft. And about maybe cooking right now, since cooking 2 minutes, so it will be done. Enough, yeah. So they're done. After 2 minutes, they're done. Put in here. Sometimes I also would like to put a little bit vegetable after I put in the vegetable inside. So get it together to eat together. You would like to use it. So that'll be done. See? You don't need 1 minute. So you just put it together. Or if you are allowed, you can get other bowl. So just make it easy. So this is before I made this dumpling sauce. I will just put in a little bit in the bowl, small bowl, because we share that. And let's try that. Yummy.